Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how to make a video overlay in the CapCut apps. So for example, I already have the video here that I will be edit, and I'm going to add a picture. Just add the overlay and select picture or video that you want to add, and then I'm going to make the video as an overlay. So click on the video and then select overlay, and I'm going to adjust for the duration assembling. Alright, so select the video and go to cutout, select remove background. So as you can see, the remove background is processing. Just wait, because it takes a long time. Alright, this is in another word layering visual. So after you are done, you are just going to click check mark. So you can adjust for the scale of the video, and then here we go. So this is the final. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.